Today we will discuss about the Poisson's ratio. So Poisson ratio basically nu is lateral strain upon longitudinal strain. So what's longitudinal strain? It can be called as the strain in the direction of the force. Like suppose this is a bar. We are making a force P act on it. So P is in x direction. So the strain in the x direction will be the longitudinal strain, and in y and z direction respectively will be the lateral strain. So the Poisson ratio is the negative of lateral strain upon longitudinal strain. Yeah, that's the basics. So we know strain in the x direction is sigma x upon E. Sigma x is the stress. I'll make stress. Stress. Sigma x is stress, and the strain in the y direction is minus of nu times sigma x upon E. So this is what you should know always for doing the problems related to strain in the direction which is lateral to your stress direction. From this we can always write the strain in the x direction will be sigma x, stress in x upon E, minus nu times sigma y upon E minus nu times sigma z upon E. These two factors may be new for you. These two factors are nothing but this, what I have written here. It is due to the component of y. Suppose in x, when we make some changes, it should definitely have some effect on the y. That is that effect in the x direction. If in y direction we are acting some stress, sigma y is if some stress is acting in y direction, sigma y, then this stress must create some effect over the x directional strain. That effect is written in this form. This is that form. This equation is very important. You should understand it very properly. So in the direction, so in y direction you have to find it, and then in z direction you should write minus nu z upon E. You must notice one thing: when we make a force y act over it, it strings in x direction, it strings, so it will become less, so it is negative sign, so it will reduce the strain, make a stress act on it which is positive. If the stress in here means which is compressive, positive means sigma positive means it is the stress which is making it elongate. You can write it elongation, get you stress. And similarly we can find strain in y direction and strain in z direction respectively. It is very easier from this formula to understand it. You need to make sure that you understood this step properly. If it's just a basic consequence which our mind tells us by intuition. So that's it.